Alright, so um, I had a tire puncture. Just came out to go for a ride and saw that my rear tire was already flat. So I brought out my tire repair kit. That is small screws coated with silicone to seal. As you can see, they come in. I bought two of the sizes. I always have that in my repair kit. So the first thing is to remove the nail puncture, the nail in the tire. As you can see, all I had to use was this flat screwdriver and then my plier. You can see this is 2.5 inch nail pulled out right there. Okay, so here I selected the screw that is bigger than the nail I just brought out, and then using the screwdriver to screw it in to flush with the tire. Okay, now I've used this before on my cast tire, and it's temporary, but it can stay as long as you want it to stay on the car, on the tire, sorry. So installed. Now I use my hand pump. Then you use soapy water, or if you don't have soapy water handy, just use your spit to check for leaks on the treated puncture.